Hey there, I'm Rahman, Dev Relations Manager from Quali. All right, let's cut to the chase. Let's talk about cost today. No matter how efficient your workflows, the higher ups are always going to ask you about cloud costs. Why so high? And wait for it, how do we reduce these costs? I'm just a developer, I don't know. Figuring out how to control costs, it's like a second job, am I right? But that's where the beauty of Torque reveals itself. With Torque, you can finally be proactive. No more chasing down when your boss asks you for a forecast. Think about it. No more spending hours hunting down untagged assets. Everything is auto-tagged with out-of-the-box tags, or if you want, custom tags that make sense to you, that enable you to spend in a way, to see your spend in a way that makes sense to the business. And Torque makes it easy to automate infrastructure savings with features like max duration on an environment and auto teardown controls on that environment. Those cost savings add up. Everyone knows Blockbuster Video didn't get to be a $3 billion company through its $1, $2 rentals. It was the sky-high late fees, right? I get it. All right, fine. Blockbuster was maybe before your time, and I'm dating myself, but here's the bottom line. Zombie infrastructure is the menacing late fee of the DevOps world. Example, perf environments that you left running over the weekend. You know you should take it down, but you just wanted to get the hell out of work. Sometimes you're simply too busy or you've forgotten. Either way, with Torque, there are cost controls that make savings an easy fix. Let me show you how Torque saves on cost. Check this demo out. We're going to talk about cost savings. And to do that, I'm going to start by launching a sandbox. This will represent maybe how you will launch an environment just regularly. We make it easy and it's automated. I select a blueprint and now let's say I want to run this, I don't know, for 7 hours, okay? And you can see it's a nice cost estimate, and these are real costs based on historical costs that we've gathered. I'm going to hit next. These are parameters I can fill out. Notice tags here too. I can put additional tags here that will reflect in my cloud bill so that I can bucket costs and observe costs. Okay, so I'm going to launch this sandbox. So sandbox has been launched. All right, you can see here the tags associated with it. Now I can, for instance, my space name is an automatic tag here. I can, in my bill, I can search for the tag Project Pivot. Anything I have run from Torque in this space will have Project Pivot based on the space. So there'll be no escaping costs. The auto tagging will happen. Nobody's running the infrastructure any other way. All right, so I'm going to end it because, I just discovered that 7 hours is way too long. Maybe this is a perf environment, very high dollar, and the mandate has come down to save costs. We need to run perf environments for no more than 4 hours. How do I do that? All right, let's check it out. I go to the blueprints and look at the additional control here. I click Manage for the blueprint, integration testing, and I can see here I uncheck this from unlimited and I select 4. That's it. That's the max we can run. Now, let's say I'm a developer coming in and I'm launching my sandbox environment and go here to launch it again. Remember, last time I launched it for 7 hours. Maybe I want to do that again. All right, but when I try to select 7 hours, you get this message. Max duration for a blueprint is set to 4 hours. Okay, so we are definitely going to have to be in compliance. And when we're in compliance, we won't have to worry about our cost overrun. So none of that. There'll never be a perf environment that has stayed open all weekend. If I notice oh, this is costing too much, maybe I want a time limit, we can combine the use of max duration to enforce that policy on cost savings. And if I want to view it, I have a nice dashboard here in Torque to view it, or it won't be a hunting exercise. My cloud bill will have those tags and I can filter for it, and I can now report to the people that care about this on why my costs are what they are and how I've done my best to minimize it. Because you know what? At the end of the day, I don't really want to care about this. I want to go back to developing. and I'm super glad that Torque has taken care of this for me.